Do you want to make nice and fantastic YouTube intro for your videos? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you step by step on how you can do it all for free using Canva. Best of all, you don't need any video editing or design skill to do this. First thing first, sign up for Canva for free. If you don't have Canva account yet, look down below the description box where I have provided all the links I mentioned in this video. You can start using Canva for free. If you want to step up your game, you can go in for the pro account. I have free 30 days trial, link in the description box below. You can also check it out. Once you finish creating your account, it will bring you to the Canva homepage. The next thing you have to do is to go to create a design and type in video. So it will bring you this template, 1920 by 1080 pixel. It will bring you to the main editor, that is the canvas. To rename your design, you go to the toolbar on the top and type on title design and type in YouTube intro. So now I have renamed my design. At this point, we need to add background to our video. So to do that, you tap on the canvas and go to background color. Type on it. It will bring you a lot of colors to choose from. So you can select pink, blue, yellow, black, white, or any color at all. If you don't see your color that you want here, click on the document color. It will bring you this dialog box. You can select from here or here, so you can select any color at all that you want. I'm going to select yellow. So this is it. Or you can also go to the sidebar and type on background to select any of the background. Here you have flowers, you have nature, you have food, gradient, pattern, and etc. So I will go in for gradients and select this one. Now that our background is set, we need to add some photo or video or our logo to our intro. To do that, I'll go to element and search for triangle, gradient. So you can see there's a lot of triangle that I can choose from. So let me look for one that it will be perfect for my. I'm going to select this one. This one is for pro users. So if you don't have pro account, you can select the one that it does not have any crown on it. So I'm going to select this one and reposition it.
All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
So this is it. Whilst I am in the element, I will search for another element again. So I will go in for frame. There's a lot of frames that you can choose from, but I will choose this one and also reposition it nicely on the second frame, on the first frame rather. Okay, at this point I want to add another element, so I will still go in for the gradient Let me select this one.
Gone! No, I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna.
So that is it.
If you get in my way, you gonna.
At this point, we are going to add a video or a photo on our intro. So if you have a recorded video, you can upload them into Canva. If you have a photo that you want to use, you can also upload them. But I don't have any of it, so I'm going to add a stock video. So I'll go to videos and search for vlogging. So I'll select this one. So once you have the video on the canvas, you can drag it and insert it into the frame. To adjust it, you double tap on the frame and slide it to the place that you want it to come. So I'm going to do it like this.
I love the chase and the hunt.
So for example, if you want to insert photo, you do the same process. So let's delete this one and go to photos.
Granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me.
And select this photo. So you use the same process, you drag it and place the photo on the flame.
You can mold, shape, find almost anything.
So now we are almost done. So at this step, we are going to add our intro title. So to do that, you go to the text on the sidebar and type on the text. Don't worry about the size. So I'm going to type in tech vlog GH. So I can now drag it and decrease the size. You can also decrease the size here or decrease the size on the toolbar. To make it more attractive, I'm going to add a background to my text. So to do that, I'll go to Elements again, search for shape. So there's a lot of shape over here to choose from. I will select this one and turn it like this and reposition it nicely. So now I think it's okay. Let's change the color to blue and drag the text on the shape like this. All right, I think this is cool. I just want to make it simple so that you can learn along. So now that text, elements, photos, videos has been added to our video intro, we need to add some animation to give our intro a bit of life. To do that, you tap on the offset of the canvas, or you can tap on the background to bring this toolbar so you can see animate. So tap on the animate. It will bring you another dialog box that you can choose from. There's a lot of animate over here: scale, basic, and combination. So I'm going to use the basic one, pan. So this is how it will look like. So I think This one is good. So when you finish, you can just preview it and see how it will look like.
To find your identity, it's mind over everything.
So for the animation, we have page animation and text animation. So the one that we just added is page animation. So let me show you how you can also add text animation or any of the elements behind our intro. So to do that, let's remove all animation and select text and go to animate. So you have basic, simple writing, bold writing. So let's go like this. So you can see on both. Let's select our background gradient and go for pan, and also select this one. No, both. Select this one too and go for palm on both. So this one will come from here, and this one too will come from here. So let's preview it and see how it will look like. Alright, now this is all about animation. Let's focus on how to timing our video intro. So talking about timing, this is where you choose the length of your YouTube intro. If you want to do that, you go to the toolbar. You see this scissors sign over here. So our video length is 13.2 seconds. So to reduce it or add more length, you click on the scissors sign over here. You can type in the preference number. You can just drag it from the right side to the left side like this. So you can see it is counting down. So now I have 5 seconds long. If you are okay with the 5 seconds, then you tap on done. So now you can see we have only 5 seconds. You can also decrease it or timing it at the last bottom here. You can also drag it like this or decrease it to the 5 seconds. So this is how it is done. Let's preview it and see. So now our YouTube intro is ready to use. To make it more interesting, let's add some music to our intro. At this point, let me use this opportunity to thank all my subscribers who has been there since day one, supporting me, your time, liking my videos, commenting, everything at all that you have been on this channel doing. I really appreciate every one of you. And if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do that now. Subscribe and turn on post notification. Tell a friend about this channel. So let's continue. You go to your manage videos and then scroll down to audio library. So this is where I get all my music for my YouTube videos. This is one secret that most of YouTubers doesn't know, that you can use the music in your audio library for your YouTube videos for free. It doesn't cost you any penny. So if you want to know more about audio library, you can check on the screen. I will leave video link in the description for you to learn more about audio library.
Lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, and when you get bored of killing me.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never.
After downloading the one that you like, go back to Canva and upload that music to Canva. So now I have my music in my Canva. Let's play it and see. So I'm going to drag it to the editor. So So this is it. Let's preview it. Alright, now I think this makes sense to you from the adding of background elements, text, and our videos, animation, and our music. I hope this is okay and this is clear to you. So now it's time for us to download our intro for the final review. So you go to share, download. So Canva will suggest MP4 video. Go ahead and tap on download to download your YouTube intro. Remember, you can also use your Canva mobile app to do the same thing. If you have any question, you can contact me on my Instagram handle that is on the screen, or you can also leave message in the comment section. This is how simple you can make a professional YouTube intro using Canva. If you see this video useful, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and share this video to your loved ones. If today is your first time on my channel, subscribe, turn on post notification so that you may not miss any future update. Peace out.
When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I